Hey, good morning, seventh graders. How you doing today? It is Wednesday, and we're getting there. We're winding down. You have this week and next week and a little bit of the week after. So appreciate everybody's involvement, everybody who's sticking with it. Real quick announcement: there's two kiddos, Lily and McKenna, along with six others, so eight in total. The six others are kids who won gold tickets prior to us leaving school and never received their reward for that. So the eight, the 2 plus 6, the eight, you'll receive an email from me today asking for your accurate address so that when I can go out on my rounds, I can drop off those treats to you guys then. So just watch for that. Also, 1 o'clock Google Meet today. We will not be doing a game today. I know a lot of you request games. It's really going to be a quick check-in and any questions you have about today's assignment. Today's assignment is somewhat of an assessment. You should be able to put the parts together for today's assignment. So, all right, and I'm on this little screen right now because for whatever reason I can't adjust the camera. It won't let me do what I need to do. I am going to go here in a second, though, to the full screen mode, and you can just follow along there. So let's switch it up to that. Not the one I wanted. There we go. All right, now you should be looking at my screen. Your tasks today are to watch this video, and then you'll look at the Google Doc that you're going to fill in. You're going to do some simple research online for your evidence, and then you'll complete the Google Doc. All right. Also want to tell you that in terms of the Jamboard, nice job, those of you that filled in. I wish this thing was full, but it is what it is, and I like the thoughts that you pulled from the video. Okay, job today, let's get right at it. So you are going to fill in a claim and evidence for just the thermal energy transfer portion. And the question you're going to answer is, would it be better to heat your house using conduction or convection? And by now, you should have some pretty good ideas, but you gotta do a little research and not just put your thoughts down. I've been working on this with my daughter because she likes to just put her thoughts down. Like, this is what I think. And I'm like, well, honey, when we're in 6th and 7th grade, you're not the foremost expert on these ideas. So you have to use somebody else's research and information that they found. And you'll simply this time make a claim, provide 3 solid pieces of evidence, and then you're going to put that claim and evidence together in a paragraph. Let me show you what I mean here with my example. So I'm giving you, my example question is, which fruit is better for an energy boost, bananas or apples? Easy scientific question. I've got to make a claim, and if you remember, making a claim is simply restating a good portion of the question, whichever way I think. And so the first thing I would do would be to go online and say better nutrition. Let's go back and say better energy, bananas or apples. And then I'm going to start to look at my research. You're looking for so I don't know who movegb.com is, but it gives me an idea. A banana is the champion. They provide a quick fuel. Okay, so I got an idea. Ooh, Livestrong, that's Lance Armstrong's thing. Which is better, apples or bananas? And then I'm going to go to these websites, and I'm going to find myself some legitimate pieces of evidence that I can quote as my pieces of evidence. So here's, look at actual banana versus apple nutritional things. So I could quote nutritional facts. I can quote ideas. By the way, it says both bananas and apples are powerhouses. All right. So I go back to my original here, my claim, and I may have done, you're probably going to do about 15 to 20 minutes of research and about 10 to 15 minutes of entering this stuff. So I'm going to put my claim that bananas are better food for an energy boost. There's my claim. Simple. Now, down here in the evidence boxes, this is where you're going to list the pieces of evidence that you are providing for, for your claim. Once you make that claim, you're going to go down here below where it says scientific explanation. You'll see, please write this as a complete paragraph. You don't write claim and then type the claim and then write evidence. You're putting this together in a fluid paragraph. Bananas are better food for an energy boost. And then I continue to type in whatever evidence I found from the website. I'm not having you do the reasoning. I think that's too complicated in school, nonetheless to do outside of school. So you're simply doing the claim and the evidence, and I expect this to be complete thoughts, complete sentences. Go online, get actual, factual evidence, and provide that. This is not a just get it done thing. This is do it exactly how I'm asking you to do it and do it well. Okay, so that's it. You have your version is about would it be better to heat your house using conduction or convection? You're going to do a little evidence first, make a claim, find your factual evidence you want to provide from the websites, and then in the space below scientific explanation, write that. And then you're going to go ahead and turn that in. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Okay. That's all I'm giving you for today. This is the day that I want you to put together. We've been working on the target of, constructing an explanation. So that's your goal today. Today's the day you hit that target. You construct a short explanation minus the reasoning about conduction versus convection. If you have any questions, please email me. And otherwise, I will see you at 1 o'clock at our Google Meet. All right, guys.